Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandros, guys, and today I'm back again with another video, guys. Today we have something else than we used to review for the last couple of months, but well, it's a new platform, guys. New investing platform. It's something that many of you have been asking me a lot lately. And many of you wanted me to show you some platforms like this. You know, it is hard to find one that looks legit, and it is hard to find one that basically looks good. But yeah, I actually found one, so it's called Roosevelt Assets, guys. Obviously, before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions, guys. And remember that you should never invest the money that you can't afford to lose. This is super important, but yeah, that's what I say in all my videos. So the Roosevelt Assets Limited, guys, real estate investment with crypto, that's what they claim they are. And they are offering really good yield. You have it in the title of the video. So that's quite a big percentage. Obviously, it depends on the amount that you want to jump in with. Today, I will be depositing myself, my own money, my own 500 USD in Ethereum. So I'll also walk you through the process of depositing here. And if you guys want to join the company, then you can also go ahead and check out the link down below in the description of this video. But with that being said, let me give you some introduction of them. I also found this presentation here that they have available on their website, and this presentation is actually quite interesting, so we'll also go over it in a bit. But basically, they have launched on 11th of October, so this is pretty recent. And you know, the actual crypto platform launched back then, but they claim to have been around on the market since 2016. And they also have this company certificate here from UK, and this is the actual website where you check the incorporations in the United Kingdom. And as I can see here, it has been actually incorporated on 28 September 2016. So this looks pretty interesting right there. That's what I also wanted to show you at the beginning of the video. They claim to have 1.7 billion assets under management, so if they do have that, that's actually incredible. But yeah, I can't guarantee that. But it looks like this is what they claim, right? But anyways, let's talk about the platform itself. So RA is part of Mapletree Investment Group, Asia's largest real estate management group, and they have been registered and operating in the UK and Singapore since 2016, and are now launching this cryptocurrency direction to attract additional funds and clients and expand the influence. And well, you can actually go ahead. They have these projects here, and you can technically see their successful investments, and as you can see, there is quite some buildings here. So this is how it looks like, and well, they have quite a lot of them. They look pretty impressive, if you ask me. But yeah, basically that's what it is. So speaking about their scheme of work, this is all in this document here, which we'll go over in just a second. I also wanted to show you that they are active on YouTube. And if you scroll down, they have this conference in Singapore of S-Rights, and they also have this webinar with Roosevelt Assets Investor Relations Manager. There's a 22-minute company presentation where this girl is basically talking about Roosevelt and many interesting aspects of it. So if you want to go ahead, then you can definitely find this video on their YouTube channel, and their YouTube channel itself you can find right here at the top of the website if you hit this YouTube button. So this is what it is. If you jump into sign up, you can make your account. It's pretty simple process. You just need an email and a password. And then once you have your account, this is how the dashboard looks like. It is pretty simple, guys. I will make the deposit right now so it can go through while we will be talking about the different aspects of the company, and while we will be going through the team and the presentation. So as you guys can see, this is how it looks like. This is the main page, so your investment pools, then you have wallet, statistics, profile, and promo, where you can promote your referral link, but we'll also talk about that in just a bit. So if you go into wallets right here, you can activate different wallets. As you can see, I have Ethereum activated and USDT. So whatever you want to deposit in, you gotta activate it by hitting this plus button. It is literally simple as that. So let's say you wanna go in with Ethereum. You hit this plus button after activating. So you hit add, and then it will show you your deposit address, okay? And once you have this deposit address, you can go ahead and copy it by just simply clicking on it. And then you can go, or you can basically scan the QR code, whatever you are using to send your crypto to. So I'm gonna go to my wallet right now, and I'm gonna paste this address right here. You probably can see this, but basically I'm putting the details into my MetaMask, and now I'm hitting next and confirm. Alright, and now it should go through any time soon. So yeah, it is pretty simple, you just copy and send to it. Make sure, guys, that you are always checking the minimum replenishment amount. In this case, this is 0.009 Ethereum. In my case, I'm depositing 0.32 Ethereum, so it will 0.32 with some, you know, with some dust, but it will definitely go through, so that's good. Alright, so let's get back, maybe not to projects, let's go to the homepage. Okay, transaction confirmed, thank you so much MetaMask, I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get back into the presentation, which I have right here. Okay, business presentation, efficient ecosystem for investing cryptocurrencies, world's largest estate funds. They have this introduction where they claim they have full range of services, investment for everyone, and they talk about their idea, which is to attract cryptocurrency assets to the real estate market. Platform allows you to invest any amount in cryptocurrency investment pools with their subsequent consolidation into large amounts in order to be able to invest in large real estate funds. So yeah, this is the mission here, and it is basically, as you can see, dedicated to bridge the gap between digital currency world and real estate market, providing innovative solution for investors to diversify their portfolios easily and effectively. What makes them a unique company? Reliability, I guess. This is a reliable and innovative way to invest in real estate using cryptocurrency investment pools, and effective. It is an efficient ecosystem that makes your investment work in the largest Asian real estate funds. Availability, main advantage. Obviously, you can also access the website from any device as well. Automation, they have high yield because they do. I will show you in a second what kind of percentages we are looking for here. Leading market and above market average returns without risk, profit distribution. We make money when our investors make money, and our success depends on your success, and project management. So they claim to have been building for over 20 years. They also have some other claims here, such as those that they are investment leaders in real estate, and also, you know, you have this projects that I showed you and those buildings here, which are quite crazy. And also there is some information right there. If you go to services, it also shows you some detailed information about the platform, so that's pretty cool. They also have the blog page, but that in a second. There is really many informations today in this video, so you know, it might be a little chaotic, but it is what it is. Reliability proven over the years. Array, founded in 2016, is headquartered in Singapore with employees and an office in London. Innovative solutions, then you have their leaders, their team, and investment packages. So we will today be joining which one? Based one. So yeah, you have Start, Based, Pro, Advanced, High, and Maximum, and each of those are different in the daily returns, overall ROI, term, which is how many days your deposit is locked for, as well as the daily percentages, which I think I already mentioned. So the accruals are 5 days in a week, so that excludes the weekends. You make money for the 5 days. Weekends are weekends, so you don't make money on weekends, you know, 5 days a week. Then you have the investment distribution that they claim they have here, and investment scheme, and why you should choose them. They have up to 3% daily, which is pretty cool. Nice and attractive referral program, actually, where you have, as you can see, big percentages at each level, and then you also have percentages on the smaller levels, so that's cool. They also offer 2FA authentication in order to secure your account furthermore, so that's what it is. Some contact informations and details regarding their office, and that's it when it comes to the presentation. Regarding the team, their leaders are listed on the page as well, with 20 years of experience, and there is also a video on YouTube. As I said, you have those videos here, you have an AMA as well, and you also have this webinar with Assets Investor Manager. So yeah, that's basically that when it comes to YouTube. So let's finally get the juice, guys. Yeah, also the blog page where they are posting a lot of cool informations and posts. And as you can see, it just hit my wallet, $504. That's how much it is. Let's refresh that just in case. They have this nice little animation, and they also have this online chat, which is always appreciated. If you have any issue, any problem, you can always use the online chat and contact them here. So that's good if you ask me. So yeah, as you can see, as I said, that's 0.32 Ethereum with some dust. That's what I had on my wallet, and well, it is now here. So if you go to investment pools, we can now open one. So you need to hit new deposit and then choose the asset. So in my case it's Ethereum, we're gonna do max balance, and it even suggests us to go for basic because the start one is from 10 to 500 bucks, basic is 500 to 2500, advanced 25 to 5k, 5k to 10k, 10k to 50, and 50 to 100k, which is pretty huge. But yeah, I'm good with my basic plan, you know. So 1.8%, that's 45% ROI, so I should have 726 USD by the end of the term, which is 25 business days. So essentially speaking, this is a whole month basically where the deposit is locked, but I can obviously withdraw my accruals if I want. So let's hit open deposit. It is that simple, I guess. Yes, it is. And as you can see, it is currently here. If I hit this plus button, I can open another one if I want to. They have this reactivation, which is cool because this will reactivate the deposit after its expiration date. So if you want to, for example, have this one running for this 25 days, but then after this 25 days you would want to open a new deposit again, then you can also like make this automated and hit the reactivation, and there is 5% bonus, as I can see. They also have compounding, which is a really nice function here, where your profit will be credited to the deposit instead of the wallet balance, and this option is increasing your profit the next day, because essentially what I will be getting right now, I believe it's like $7, no, something like that. $9 actually. So every single day this would add $9 to my deposit. So tomorrow it would be $511, then $520, and from this $520 I would be getting my percentages. So compounding, also cool feature right here. Then you have your profit chart where you will be able to see how much money you made, your total profit, how much you have withdrawn, and all of that. Then you also have your statistics right here, and you can check out your withdrawals as well as your deposits, so that's pretty good. And then you have profile, where you can complete your verification or set up your 2FA, as well as add your wallets for the withdrawals. So you can hit whichever wallet you want to add, then put the address, which I'll do later on, and hit on save, and yeah. You can also set up notifications, and then you have your referrals, which are pretty cool because there is 7% on first level, second level 2%, third level is 1%, and so on and so on. And then you can also see your levels, and you can also see who has referred you, so that's pretty cool. And I think that will be it for this video, guys. They also have, besides the YouTube, they also have Medium, they have Twitter, and they have Telegram, where they are posting regularly some news regarding the platform and the company. So if you wanna join them, then you can also go ahead and do so. It is all on the website. I will of course link the website down below. And speaking of that, this will be it for today, guys. If you want me to do an update video later on to show you how this have been performing for me, then I can do so. Just let me know in the comments that you want such video, and I'll do my best to basically record one. And yeah, let's see how this one goes. Let's see how this one will last, if it will last long. I hope so. And if you want more platforms also, you can let me know in the comments that you want such videos, and I'll do my best to do my research and provide you with some videos. But yeah, basically that's it when it comes to Roosevelt. We'll see how it goes, we'll see how it runs. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next videos coming out soon.